Hello everybody, welcome to the Managerial Economics class. This is Srinivas Sudaliparthi, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, VSM College under Autonomous, Ramchandrapura. In the Managerial Economics, 4th unit, Theory of Production, Cost and Firms Behavior. Today we will discussing about monopoly and oligopoly. What is monopoly? Monopoly, the word monopoly is Latin term. Mono means single and polo means the seller. Mono means single and polo means seller. Monopoly is a form of a market organization in which there is only one seller of the commodity. There is no close substitute for the commodity sold by the seller. Example, Indian Railways. Indian Railways. The word monopoly, Latin term mono means single and polo means seller. Monopoly is form a market organization in which there is only one seller of the commodity. There is no close substitute for the commodity sold by the seller. Example, Indian Railways. Definitions. According to Cotisonius, according to Cotisonius, monopoly is a market situation in which there is a single seller. There is no close substitute for the commodity it produces. There are barriers to entry. There is a single seller. There is no close substitute for commodity it produces. There are barriers to entry. According to Berman, a pure monopoly is defined as the firm that is also an industry. It is the only supplier of some particular commodity for which there exist no close substitutes. A single seller. Existence of monopoly. True monopolies generally exist in government controlled markets. True monopolies generally exist in government controlled markets. Example, Indian Railways. And monopolies private business is rare. Private firms who have considerable market share like Google, Microsoft and Apple. There is a private firm who have considerable market share like Google, Microsoft and Apple. Features are assumptions of monopoly. One seller and large number of buyers. Only one seller, there are large number of buyers. And monopoly is also as industry. Yes, monopoly single seller, but the firm and industry. Restrictions on the entry of the new firms. There is no chance to entry of new firms in that particular industry. Restrictions on the entry of new firms. No close substitute. There is no substitute for the monopoly. Price maker, price discrimination and downward sloping demand curve. Causes and sources of monopoly power. Control over raw materials or ownership of natural resources. Patents, technical barriers, government policy, historical and entry lag, limited pricing policy or unfair competition. In the monopoly, there is a limited pricing or unfair competition. They have the patents and technical barriers. Monopoly as a government policy, historical entry lag, limited pricing policy, unfair competition, and capital size business mergers. These are the causes and sources for of monopoly power. Types of monopoly. Types of monopoly: natural monopoly, geographic monopoly, technological monopoly, and government monopoly. Natural monopoly, geographic monopoly, technological monopoly, government monopoly. So monopolistic competition. Now we have the understanding about a monopoly. Now going to the monopoly competition. What is monopolistic competition? Monopolistic competition is a form of imperfect competition. Monopolistic competition is a form of imperfect competition. It can be found in many real world markets, ranging from cluster of sandwich bars, other fast food shops and coffee stores in a busy town center to pizza delivery business in a city or hairdressers in a local areas. Whereas we can find out the imperfect competition, it can be found in many real world markets ranging from cluster of sandwich bars, other fast food shops and coffee stores in a business in busy town center to pizza delivery business in a city or hairdresser in a local areas. Monopolistic competition is similar to perfect competition. Some economists regard it as more realistic because the product are differentiated. Assumption of the market. There are many products and many consumers. The concentration ratio is low. There are many products and many consumers. The concentration ratio is low. Consumer perceives that there are non-price difference among products. Consumer perceives that there are non-price difference among products. That is, there is product differentiation. Competition is strong. Plenty of consumers switching take places. What are the problems? There is product differentiation. Competition is strong. Plenty of consumer switching takes place. Producers have some control over price. They are price makers, not price takers. But the price elasticity of demand is higher than it would be under situation of monopoly. The barriers to entry and exist into out of the market law. The barriers to entry and exit into and out of the market are low. Monopolistic competition, failing AR and MR, price and profits. Okay, price cost and output, marginal return and average return. Marginal cost and average cost. Let us see marginal return and average return and marginal cost of average cost. So this is all about the monopoly and monopolistic competition. Now we are going to the oligopoly. What is oligopoly? Oligopoly meaning pricing under oligopoly. Oligopoly has been derived from two words, oligo and polion. Oligo means a few and polion means sellers. Oligo means a few and polion means sellers. Oligopoly is defined as a market situation in which there are few sellers or producers dealing in either the homogeneous or differentiated products. Oligopoly is defined as a market situation in which there are few sellers or producers dealing in either the homogeneous or differentiated products. Classifications of oligopoly. Oligopoly market can classified on following basis: nature of the product, nature product, and pure oligopoly, differentiate oligopoly. What is nature of product? On the basis of nature of products, oligopoly is classified as pure and differentiate oligopoly. What is pure oligopoly? Pure oligopoly is one in a case was the product produced by the competing firms in the market is identical or homogeneous. Pure oligopoly is in case of which the product produced by the competing firms in the market is identical or homogeneous. Differentiated oligopoly is supposed to exist in the market when the firm is the market produce and sell the non-homogeneous. Differentiated oligopoly is supposed to exist the market when the firm in the market produce or sell the non-homogeneous. Pure oligopoly is identical or homogeneous. A differentiate oligopoly is non-homogeneous. Classification of oligopoly. Second, entry of firms. On the basis of freedom of entry, oligopoly market classified as open and closed oligopoly. What is open oligopoly? When the new firms are allowed to enter into the market, it is called open oligopoly. Closed oligopoly, when the new firms are not allowed to enter into the market, it is called closed oligopoly. Here we have a mistake. It is called closed oligopoly. Classification of oligopoly, price leadership. Third one, price leadership. Based on the price leadership, the oligopoly can be classified as partial and full oligopoly. What is partial oligopoly? When a large firm in the market, it is recognized as price leader. The other smaller firms in the market flow the price fixed by the leader firm. Full oligopoly, where there is no leading firm to determine the price of product in the market, the firm may be engaged into the price competition in the case of full oligopoly. And classification of oligopoly, fourth one, agreement or conclusion. Agreement or collusion. The oligopoly market can be classified coercive or non-coercive on the basis of agreement or collusion among firms in the market. What is coercive oligopoly? When different firms in the oligopoly market have some informal or formal agreement about price, output, division of market, profit sharing, etc. When different firms in the oligopoly market have some informal or formal agreements about price, output, division of market, profit sharing, etc. Non-coercive oligopoly, when there is no agreement or collusion among the firms. When there is no agreements or collusion among the firms. And fifth one, classification of oligopoly, degree of coordination. On the basis of degree of coordination, the oligopoly market can be of the types of organized and syndicated oligopoly. On the basis of degree of coordination, the oligopoly market can be of the types of organized and syndicated oligopoly. Organized oligopoly, when the different firms in the market avoid price competition by organizing themselves into a central association for fixing price, output codes, etc. What is syndicate oligopoly? All the firms in the market create a syndicate or cartel, which is a common selling organization for the sale of output turned out by the all firms. turned out by the all firms. It called as syndicate oligopoly. Characteristics of oligopoly: few sellers, control power supply, interdependence of firms, and conflicting attitudes of firms, lack of uniformity of size of firm, group behavior, advertising and selling cost, pricing rigidity, intense competition, and intermediates of demand curve. So as of now, we are discussing about what is monopoly. Monopoly. The word monopoly is Latin. Mono means single and polo means sellers. Monopoly is a form of market organized which there is only one seller of the commodity. There is no close substitute for the common commodity sold by the seller. For example, Indian Railways. And definitions of the monopoly: existence of monopoly, and features or assumptions of monopoly, causes and sources of monopoly power, and types of monopoly. And next, monopoly competition. Monopoly competition is a form of imperfect competition. It can be found many real world markets ranging from cluster sandwich bars, other fast food shops, and coffee stores in a busy town center to pizza deliver business in a city or hairdresser in a local areas. Assumption of the market and monopoly competition. Pricing and oligopoly. What is oligopoly? Classifications. The 5 classification characteristics of oligopoly. And now coming to the market price of perishable commodity. Market price of a perishable commodity. Example: fruits and vegetables. The supply is limited and cannot be stored for the next market period. Therefore, the commodity must be sold away on the same day, whether the price may be market price may be perishable commodity. Fruits and vegetables, the supply is limited and cannot be stored for the market period. Therefore, the commodity must be sold away on the same day, whatever the price may be. So మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ పర్షబుల్ గూడ్స్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ అనేది పర్షబుల్ గూడ్స్కి ఓ విధంగా ఉంటుంది. అంటే స్టోర్ చేయలేనటువంటి ఐటమ్స్, వెజిటేబుల్స్, ఫ్రూట్స్ అనేవి ఏ ప్రైస్కైనా అమ్మేసేటువంటి అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. సో ద కమోడిటీ మస్ట్ బి సోల్డ్ అవే ఆన్ ద సేమ్ డే, వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ప్రైస్ మేబీ, ఏ రేట్కైనా అమ్మేసేటువంటి పరిస్థితి. మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ ఆర్ నాన్ పర్షబుల్ గూడ్స్ కెన్ బి perceived and carried over the next market period. If the price is very high, the seller will sell the whole stock. If the price is very low, the seller will not sell any amount of the present market period, but will hold back for some better time. Price below when which seller is refused to sell and call the reserve price. సో నాన్ పెరిషియల్ గూడ్స్కి వచ్చేసరికి ప్రైస్ని బేస్ చేసుకుని ఆ రోజు అమ్మాలా లేదా అని డిసైడ్ అవుతారు. సో ప్రైస్ బాగుంటే అమ్ముతారు, ప్రైస్ బాగా తక్కువగా ఉంటే ఆ రోజు అమ్మకుండా వాటిని బెటర్ ప్రైస్కి వచ్చే వరకు కూడా స్టోర్ చేసి తర్వాత వాటిని అమ్ముతారు. ప్రైసింగ్ అండర్ మోనోపోలిస్టిక్ ఈజ్ అ ప్రైస్ మేకర్. ఇనిషియల్లీ ద ఫిక్స్ ద ప్రైస్ త్రూ ట్రయల్ అండ్ ఎర్రర్ ప్రాసెస్ బై ది బ్యాలెన్సింగ్ లాసెస్ అండ్ గెయిన్స్. Equilibrium. Marginal return equals to marginal cost, and corresponding point on the average revenue curve determines the price. To earn maximum profit, he will charge a high price and subsequently even monopoly profits. So monopoly is the single seller. సో అందువల్ల ఆయన నిర్ణయించినటువంటి ప్రైస్కే మార్జినల్ రిటర్న్, ఏదైతే మార్జినల్ రిటర్న్కి మార్జినల్ కాస్ట్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి చార్జెస్ ఆయన వసూలు చేస్తారు కాబట్టి he will charge a high price and subsequently monopoly profits. Pricing under monopoly. In the long run, the monopolistic firm strive and plans to earn only profits. He may also practice price discrimination, charging different prices to the different buyers and different religions for the same product, selling his products in foreign market as price lower than his own market is itself referred as dumping. A group of producer producing same but not identical product compete with each other in the market. They practice product differentiation instead of having price war which each. The prices charged are quite competitive in nature. Example Lux, Liril, Dove, etc. Here the pricing under the monopolistic competition. Pricing under monopolies differ from pricing under the monopoly competition. Pricing under oligopoly. Under oligopoly, there are few sellers competing the market. They may be rivals or may form from collusion. Each producer before he fixes the price and his product tries to understand the price behavior of the other products in the market. Under oligopoly, there are previous the phenomenon of price religiosity. Firms may be prefer to resort non-prices competition, leaving each other follow their own prices, their own policies. Pricing under oligopoly. Under oligopoly, there are few sellers and competitions in the market. These are the pricing under different market. Pricing under oligopoly, pricing under monopoly competition, pricing under monopoly, pricing under market price on non-perishable and market price on perishable commodity. In this class, we are discussing about what is monopoly and monopoly competition. After that, oligopoly and market prices and different variables. I think you are understood the class. If you have any doubt, please comment below. We'll meet in the next class with another topic. Thank you so much.